is drifting in a restless night. The shadows deepen, people search for light. But we refuse to wander in the dark. We carry fire, we have caught the spark. Like the ancient sons who stood beside the king, we hear the shifting that the heavens bring. Give us the mind of Issachar to see, to know the times and where we are to be. With eyes of faith and hearts of holy fire, to lead the way is our supreme desire. We will not stumble, we will not delay. We know the season and we lead the way.
This is the hour for the church to rise, with deep discernment and prophetic eyes. No longer guessing what tomorrow holds. We watch the scroll of destiny unfold. We find our strategy on bending knee, then march in power unto victory.
Open our eyes, Lord, let us see the signs. Align our footsteps with your great design.
We receive the wisdom